So guys, I know you want to flip an account of $10, $200, $1,000, but you don't know how to start with it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you on the strategy I use in flipping $10 to $100 accounts. From the first thing you have to do is to look for the moving average under the indicator. This moving average, you have to set your chart to the period should be 10 period and the shift should be at 0. Then the method should be exponential moving average, and the applied to have to be median price HL/2. Then you have to be 4 pixel. Then the color have to be blue. Then you have to save it and leave it like that. For the second moving average, you have to be the period have to be 23 period, then the shift should be at 0, then the method should be exponential, then the applied to have to be the median price, then the style have to be 3 pixel, then the level is not required, then you have to save it. Then let me delete this one. Then you have to go to your charts. This work for small account. To flip a small account like $10 to $100, this work on 5-minute time frame. Your chart must be on 5-minute time frame for you to know whether it's a buy trend or like this. Now the chart is in buy trend, but not yet. This is a buy now, this is a bullish, this is a buy now. So you have to check for confirmation. This is not confirmed yet. To check for confirmation, you have to put your charts. Wait guys, confirm it. You have to put your chart on the H4. When the H4 or the trending on the H4, that's the moving average, is same with the one on the M5, then you go long or buy. This when this blue indicator is down, then it's telling you to sell. Don't sell when you see this on H4, but you have to confirm it on H5. Whenever these two indicators are the same, like this, they are not the same, they are not corresponding at all. So whenever the chart is the same, then you have to go long or go short. And I think you understand. If you understand, give me a like or give me a follow, like or subscribe if you are watching me on YouTube. Thanks for watching the video. I love you, all these peep catcher gangs. Thank you a lot.